Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look that I have on. It's a full face of Too Faced and the look was really easy, super fast, turned out really pretty. It's so nice for fall. I added some of the burgundy shade in the palette on the lower lash line to really make it a fall look, and it was so pretty. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Primed Poreless Primer. It just looks like this. For foundation, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I have it in the shade Vanilla, and I'm going to be applying it with the Beauty Blender. I'm just starting with 3 pumps. This is my summer shade. So it's not the exact perfect match to my skin tone right now because it's fall here now, so I just have to work with it. So once it's all blended out, it doesn't look too off from my skin tone, but I could definitely go to maybe 1 shade lighter. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the original Too Faced Born This Way concealer because I know they came out with like a new one. And this is in the shade Fair. And this smells so good, like it smells like tangerines. Fun fact, this is one of the first high-end concealers that I ever purchased from Sephora. It was this Too Faced concealer, and I fell in love with it. To set everything, I purchased this Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Setting Powder. I got the mini one. It just looks like this. It's so pretty. I wonder if it smells like peaches because I know their chocolate stuff smells like peaches. I don't think it smells like peaches, but it has like a really nice scent to it. But it's not, I don't think it's a peachy scent, but it's like a really nice scent. And I know this came out so long ago, but if you don't have it and you're thinking of getting it and you don't like scents, I don't think you'll be too affected by this because it's not that strong of a smell. Okay. I inhaled that. To bronze, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I have it in medium deep. And obviously I have a very fair complexion, so like this looks really dark, but I love bronzer and I prefer my bronzer to be darker. Like I always get the shade darker from what I should get. And to bronze, I'm going to be taking this Morphe G4 brush. And to contour, I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And this one is in light to medium. And I'm going to be mixing medium and dark cocoa. And this is the Morphe G37 brush. And for eyes, I'm gonna be doing more of a natural eye look, and I'm gonna be using the Chocolate Bar palette. Just looks like this. Obviously it's been used and abused, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna be using this MAC 142 brush, and I'm gonna be taking this lightest brown shade here and placing that all throughout my crease on both eyes. And a little bit goes a very long way with the browns in this palette. For the next shade, I'm going to be going in with this darker brown here and placing it also in the crease a little bit lower and more to the outer side. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right there. So a little bit of fallout happened, so I'm just gonna wipe that away along with all the setting powder that I left underneath my eyes. And I feel like my bronzer and stuff, it kind of looks a little messy, so I'm gonna carve it out. So while that sets, I'm gonna work on my lower lash line. And since it's fall time, I already feel like this look is giving me like such fall vibes, on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shade right here. But I'm gonna be doing the lower lash line off camera, and I'll be back to finish off the rest of the face. So I went ahead and I did the lower lash line. I always lose my train of thought. You don't even understand. But I'm gonna go back into this Cocoa Contour palette, and I'm gonna be taking this white matte shade to lighten underneath my eyes. Just like that, and it already just made it so much brighter. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the highlighter in that palette, which is called Pop of Light. Oh my god. This whole palette is very powdery, so be advised when dipping into it. Look, I don't know. Did you see? And this highlighter is not, I would say, it's more of glitter pieces, not glitter pieces, but like sparkles, than a normal highlighter. I don't really know how to describe it. like if the light were to hit it, it wouldn't just be like a line of like light. You're gonna see individual sparkles. And I'm not going to be doing an inner corner highlighter today just because that highlighter I don't think it's going to work very well in the inner corner, but I can test it out. Yeah, it's more just sparkles, but this palette, I really do like it. I love everything in here. The only thing that I would change would probably be the highlighting shade, just because I would make it more of a highlighter instead of just specks of sparkle. And now I'm going to wipe off the setting powder that I put. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Damn Girl mascara that they just came out with recently. This was just a little free sample that I got with a purchase that I did online, and I've never used it before. I'm like in love with these curls, you don't even understand. So I'm gonna go off camera to add a few more coats of that mascara, and I'll be back to tell you guys what I think of it. So the mascara is actually really nice. It does make your eyelashes pretty long, but the wand is definitely a little bit too big to do the bottom lashes. I don't own any Too Faced lashes. I don't think they make any, so I'm just going to be leaving the mascara like this, but it's pretty nice. And I honestly don't really like to wear lashes every day anyways. And for lips, I bought this Too Faced Melted Latex Lip for this video specifically, and I got it in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Okay, and there's the lip, and it has a fragrance to it, and I kind of want to say it's kind of like a fruity alcohol. That's just the scent, like that's just kind of the smell that I pick up from it. And the texture, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a matte lipstick. It says it's a high shine lipstick, so I think it's supposed to be the texture of like the lipsticks in the tubes. So I would recommend it. I just don't think you should wear it with your hair down on a windy day, because it's definitely going to get all over the place, and I know that that happens to me all the time if I have a gloss on or a lipstick like this that's not matte and my hair gets into it and then blows onto my face, and then I have lines of lipstick all over the place, and it's just a huge mess. But to set, I also bought this Too Faced Peach Mist Matte Setting Powder. I feel like I completely missed my face. There, that was much better. Shake me, baby. And that's it for a full face of Too Faced Cosmetics, and I actually didn't use anything on my face that was not from the Too Faced brand, and the look turned out really pretty. I don't have any lashes on, I just use mascara, and I think it's a really pretty easy fall look to do. And obviously if you don't have some of these Too Faced products, you can just swap it for whatever you do have, and you can get this really pretty fall look. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.